Join us again. It's Business Breakfast on iBrand Television. Let's take a quick look at what's playing out at the Nigerian capital market, bring to you the necessary figures and also do some analysis of it. The Nigerian stock market rally continued on Thursday as Seplat Energy Limit PLC led other major advances that pushed the market higher to 0.57% to close at 317 billion naira respectively. The All Shell Index and market capitalization rose by 0.57% to close at 102.149.93 basis points and 55.9 trillion naira respectively. The year-to-date gains of the benchmark index also rose to 36.61%. UBA, Transcorp, Sterling Financial Holding Company, Japo Gold and Access Corporations were actively traded stocks as investors in the 12,235 deals exchanged hands in 504.194 million naira shares worth 10.3 billion naira. Ambrose Amodio, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited, joins me now live virtually to do some analysis of those figures. Ambrose, good morning. It's a pleasure having you join me on the program.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's get talking now. What's your reaction to trading activities yesterday at the exchange? 12th day of positive trading. What do you have to say concerning this?
Yes, sorry, I was at the direction after one thing like up stock in the market in the green. So that there will be a kind of a clear buying across all the sectors, both the high cap and low cap. So we have over the mass energy, we saw that the market will come. But the good thing that we have a good buying fire for the market and the market which was positive, that is that it's across the globe. People are looking for blue chip company that has the billion capacity at the end of the day, because we're already in the time season when we expect companies to start releasing their audited results with the dividend announcement. That will go a long way to support the share prices and release that money and what they are dividend.
All right, we'll just hold it at that. We'll take a short break for a commercial, and when we return, we'll continue with the conversation. To stay with us, it's Business Breakfast on iBrand Television. Thank you for being part of the conversation again. Ambrose Amodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited, is still with me virtually doing some analysis of stock market review at the exchange yesterday. Ambrose, when we look at what's playing out at the NGX, we see that the banking stocks are also rallying, and also the stocks in the oil and gas sector is also doing well as well. What can you say about stocks in other sectors, especially in the manufacturing and services sector? What's your reaction to that? And then again, what can you also tell us or bring to speed about activities playing out in the fixed income market?
Actually, I would say that there was a impact from the banking sector yesterday after they were profit taking in previous days. And that for me is the dynamic market. After profit taking, while the come down for fresh tension, and now what was on the banking sector. And also, don't forget that the issue of Nigerian stock market, it was considered the element is banking sector. That is full back ahead of their full year results. This was the advantage of that. But also, the just mentioned the market sector, yes, I was still rally up of the sentiment. But I believe that because the dollar issue is a problem, most of the market sector numbers will not be as impressive as expected, because after the few transactions, a lot of expensive issue, and they cannot be resolved now. For other sectors, we can see that activities were solved in Japan yesterday, were solved in other like NGX, because of what the good results from Japan yesterday, that result also was attraction for Japan, and also Japan also informed the market of their private market activities. These are the factors, impacting Japan. For NGX, for market is also for NGX result, because that is the first account to be able to lead the market from now. This will be history. But the market at the best of January, I experienced generally the result, and also they are people who take dividends will tell that before now. But so they also to pay final dividends. They should actually activities in telecom, and like Japan, and other perform market is up because of what the pullback in price and also the expected entry for expectation.
Today being Friday, the 26th of January 2024, it's the last trading day of the week. What is your projections going by the fundamentals or perhaps the way trading is looking at the exchange? What's your projection for today? Do you see the market also being ending on the green, or perhaps it's just be a mixed market? Your thoughts on this?
The market before now has been over 1 billion, I'll tell you, but because of the sentiment in the market and at the same time, people positioning for things, the prices are going over. For me, market has become for shift, or has been talked for shift 11 days now, today. I think that we're supposed to keep up with taking some stuff. I'm not being in the general market, but for us, where people are made good for it, how to take profit. But for me, investors also think twice that if I just want to think today, the dependents also were selling the market support, even with their defense around, I want to inform what kind of strategy for ourselves start in the market.
All right, we'll leave it at that. I'd like to say a big thank you to you, Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited, as always, for your insightful, in-depth analysis on market activity. Thank you so much. Have yourself a wonderful weekend ahead. All right, folks, let's shift focus now to our conversation segment of the program. Yet, what's coming up? Nigeria's gross domestic product is expected to increase by 3.3% and 3.7% in the year 2024 and the year 2025, respectively. And that's according to a latest projection by the World Bank. And finally, oil prices eased today after rising to their highest since December in the previous session, but we are set for their biggest weekly gain since October as positive U.S. economic growth and signs of China's stimulus boosted fuel demand sentiment. Let's get talking about this and many more on our conversation segment of the show in a moment, if only you will stay.